No porosity level should feel that they can't do hot oil treatment because everyone can. For low porosity hair, the warmth from the oil helps lift up your cuticles, allowing some moisture to enter. And as most oils have sealant properties, they can also help reseal your cuticles and prevent the moisture from escaping. For high porosity hair, hot oil treatment will actually be fixing any of your hair serious problems, adding temporarily solution to reduce the appearance of split ends, excessive frizziness, and dull dry strands. Regardless of which of the porosity levels you fall under, doing a regular weekly hot oil treatment can be a part of your hair routine. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dima Okike here, and today I'll be sharing with you how I do hot oil treatment on my hair, and as well as the benefits and how you can apply it on your hair and many more. Please keep on watching. So hot oil treatment is a popular hair care practice. It is basically coating your hair strands in a plant-based oils with the purpose of sealing your hair cuticles, thus strengthening your hair. That's basically it. It's so simple but very beneficial. So here are some of the benefits of doing hot oil treatment. Basically, it restores your moisture levels, it treats dry scalp, it treats itchy scalp, and it treats dandruff. This treatment shouldn't be done more than once a week, no matter how beneficial this treatment is. The first step in the actual process is to choose your oils. I'm actually using my DIY oil mix. Please let me know in the comment section if you would want me to share a video on how I made this oil. So I actually poured some rosemary leaves in the oil. Then next, using double boiling method, I'll be warming up this oil. Do not fry, please, just warm it up, okay? Just stir this for 5 to 10 minutes, then you bring it down. Allow to cool a bit before transferring it into your applicator bottle. So next, I'll go ahead and sieve out the rosemary leaves and then transfer this into my applicator bottle for easy application. So guys, for the application process, I had already shampooed my hair. Make sure you shampoo your hair before applying this so that you don't lose all the nutrients by applying it and then washing it off with shampoo. So use this oil to apply to your scalp. I make sure you section your hair like so. The application can really be very messy, so you just have to be very careful. Use the oil to apply to your scalp and the length of your hair. Be sure to massage your scalp as desired to increase blood circulation. So guys, like I was saying, the first step in the actual process is to choose your oils. Choosing your oils depends on what you want to achieve. This is because different oils will do different things. For me, I choose oils that are penetrating, sealing, and moisturizing in nature. I also make sure that the oils are plant-based, no vegetable oils and no mineral oils. Next, after the application, is to cover the hair with a shower cap or plastic bag. Allow the oil to absorb into your hair from 20 to 30 minutes. Afterwards, just rinse your hair with warm water. No shampoo, please. Then just moisturize and style your hair as usual. I actually made use of this scarf just to further trap some heat into my hair. So that's just it, guys. Now I want to hear from you. Do you or have you done hot oil treatment on your hair? If so, how often? If not, then why? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell sign to be notified on my future videos. So thank you, and thank you again. See you in my next one. Bye.